Hello, hello, hello. I am getting ready to deliver my vision mapping workshops and drive across country from Alaska to Western New York. Have you ever done something that has been so exhilarating and you want to share it with people to sort of get to know people as well as inform them and learn along the way? And so we are less than 4 weeks from the trip. My husband is going to drive down with me. I'm not quite sure how far yet he's going to go. And the first stop we are making is in Coeur d'Alene, northern Coeur d'Alene. June 24th is where my first workshop's going to be. So there's so many details that go into planning a road trip. And then you add in a business workshop or two or three, and there's a whole bunch more. So I thought I'd start here with YouTube because today I was going down rabbit trails of how can I keep people informed, because Facebook owns everything you put out there, all your photos and content. So I was thinking, do I do a blog? Do I do my YouTube channel? What do I do? So I thought I'd start here with my YouTube channel and see if you guys are interested in following me here, or if you have experience doing a road trip or traveling across country or traveling throughout countries and keeping people informed of ideas and the culture and being open to getting feedback. How have you done it? Have you blogged? Have you done a YouTube channel? What have you done to keep your community posted? So the first thing on my list is to get our dog updated on all of her shots. We don't have ticks and fleas and heartworm up here quite yet in Alaska, so I have to get all that taken care of, as well as get her certificates so that she can cross the border to Canada. And here's a fun fact. If you bring your dog across country through Canada, the certificate's good for only 30 days. So I will either have to get my vet here in Alaska to issue another one, or find a vet where I'm going to be at near my parents' home in Western New York before I leave in August to come back here to Alaska. So that's the first thing I'm doing. I'm curious if you have any questions, if you have any advice. We're keeping an eye on the Alcan Highway. It's right now closed. So we'll have to take I can't pronounce it correctly, Cisarin Highway out. And we're looking to do the Icefield Parkway. A friend suggested that in Canada. Any feedback, any questions on that? I'm happy to hear what you have to say, what your interests are, and keep you posted. All right, I'm back to marketing my first workshop in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho on June 24th. If you want more information, you can you can just comment and I will send you the link for that workshop. All right, happy day.